This video looks at the examples in the textbook on partial fractions. Question 4 looks fairly straightforward. Question 5 looks fairly straightforward. Question 6. Question 7. Let's have a look at question 7, shall we? In question 7 we've got a quadratic on the numerator and a quadratic on the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the expression like this. We're going to write x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Looking at the numerator, we had x. I've now got 3x, which means I need to subtract 2x to make sure that they're the same. And here I have 1, but here I've written 2, so I need to write minus 1. So that now if we look at the numerator, we've got x squared plus 3 minus 2, which gives us x, plus 2 minus 1, which gives us 1. The reason I did this is so that this part of the expression is equal to 1. So now I can write 1 plus brackets minus 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Be careful of your signs when you've got an expression like this. So I don't need to worry about the 1 anymore, and I can solve this part of it in the normal way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the minus sign outside, and I'm going to carry out partial fractions on 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. You can probably see that that is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 1. Putting the right hand side over a common denominator, I'm going to get a brackets x plus 1 plus b brackets x plus 2 over x plus 2 brackets x plus 1. So now I can write 2x plus 1 is equal to a brackets x plus 1 plus b brackets x plus 2. I'm going to call that equation 1 because that's what I'll use for the sanity check. So when x equals minus 1, 2x becomes minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and that will equal, this term will disappear, minus 1 plus 2, so that will equal b, so b equals minus 1. And when x equals minus 2, this term will disappear, that becomes minus 4 plus 1, so that's minus 3. And we've got minus 2 plus 1, so that will equal minus a. So a is equal to 3. Substituting those values into equation 1, we're going to get 3 brackets x plus 1 minus brackets x plus 2. So 3x minus x is going to give me 2x. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, so that's going to be plus 1. 2x plus 1 there, 2x plus 1 there. Yippee! So before we put that back into baseline, let's just remind ourselves that it was minus 2x minus 1, and we've just calculated our values on 2x plus 1. So the signs of a and b need to change. So going back to baseline, we had a 1 minus 3 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1. And are we right? Yes, we are.